Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Scan to Email on your Ricoh printer using Gmail SMTP. With this setup, you can easily send scanned documents directly to any email address through your Gmail account. First, access the web management interface of your Ricoh printer. Then, log in using your administrator account. This will give you access to advanced settings, including the email configuration. On the main screen of your Ricoh printer, select Device Management and then click Configure. After entering Configure, click on Email. In the Email section, enter the Gmail address you want to use in the Administrator email address field. This will be the sender address that appears when the printer sends scanned documents. Then, directly below it, set Auto-Specify Sender Name to On. In the SMTP section, enter the Gmail SMTP address in the SMTP server name field. Next, set the port to 465 and enable SSL by turning it on. This ensures a secure connection between your printer and Gmail when sending emails. Next, set SMTP authentication to on. Then enter your Gmail address in both fields, email address and username. This setup allows the printer to authenticate with Gmail before sending emails, ensuring successful email delivery. Next, click Change next to the password field. Here, you cannot enter your regular Gmail password directly because Google restricts access from less secure apps. Instead, create a Gmail app password. An app password is a special password provided by Gmail that allows external devices and apps to send emails securely. Before creating an app password, you need a Gmail account that is ready to log in. Then, select Manage your Google account. In your Google account settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Security. Next, type App Password into the search bar at the top. From the search results, click on App Passwords. On the App Password screen, enter a memorable name for your application. This will help you easily manage and recognize which device the app password is being used for. Once generated, Google will display a 16-character app password. Copy this password and keep it safe. We'll use it later to configure the Ricoh printer instead of your regular Gmail password. Go back to the Ricoh printer configuration screen. Paste the app password you copied from Google. Finally, click OK to save all the settings. Your Ricoh printer is now ready to send emails through Gmail using the Scan to Email feature. Next, let's move on to the next step. To make scanning more convenient without typing email addresses every time, we'll add an email address to the address book. Click Add User to start adding a new email address to the Ricoh printer's address book. In the Add User window, check Email Destination. In the Name field, enter a recognizable and easy-to-remember name. This name will appear in the address book when you select the destination to send scanned documents. In the Email Address field, enter the email address where you want to receive the scanned file. This is the destination address the Ricoh printer will use when sending scanned documents. After entering all the details, click OK or Save to store the email address in the address book. From now on, you can quickly scan and send documents directly via email with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.